Here comes the concrete truck. I guess he likes driving backwards on this hillside here, all the way up here to the pump. See, we've done these stairs previously. Light broom finish with 2.5-inch edge. Landings, sets of stairs. Did the wall, did the slabs. These ones nicely cut up. And further all the way to the pool. Did the wall tops here too. And then more stairs on this side, on that side, and the floor inside, which was grinded, so the rocks are showing using exposed mix. And they're gonna do the same thing here, grinding everything, so the rocks are visible. Today, tiny little set of stairs, 12 risers in total, a couple of landings here, I guess for gardening. And here comes the truck. Awesome. That's how you do it. Backing up to the pump. Oh, you have a large house like this one, even a smaller one, and you're planning to do some concrete around the house, you can call us. We do walls and stairs and floors and basically anything related to concrete works. So you can call us at 377-3657 in the Vancouver area, which is the area code is 604. My name is John. Also, you come and visit our website at www.stampedconcretesolutions. That's www.stampedconcrete.solutions.